So the battery bank in 2017 29.4 has two batteries. So I'm going to take these out. As you can see, they're all corroded up and they're at least 4 years old. I don't know what the previous owner has done with these batteries. So we're going to put in three 100 AGMs, which is what we had in the other rig, our old rig. So this has, as you can see back here, space for a third battery. However, they mounted that down in there, right in the way of the third battery. The 27.1 that we had didn't have that issue. I just bought the batteries, threw it in. So that connector block, not sure what it is, I'm going to, it's just mounted on the wall. Why didn't they mount it up here? You got plenty of room right here. Why not? Why? Because it's Thor. That's why. So what I'm going to do, take it out, remount it, and then put the new batteries in. Alright, so I got the two batteries out. They were manufactured 5 years ago, so I'm glad we're ripping them out. So here's the three trays for the batteries, and you can clearly see that there's three trays. This is the block that needs to be pulled out. There's one screw holding it right up in the upper corner there. I'm going to take it out and move it up there so it's out of the freaking way. Thank you, Thor. Alright, got the three batteries in. As you can see, there is room for three. So, three 100 amp AGMs in parallel. So that's the box I needed to move, and it turns out there is a second screw on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. So I just moved that up in parallel with all the other blocks that the blockheads should have put them in, and you'll notice that I have the circuit breaker turned off and the circuit breaker turned off. When I did this on my old rig, I didn't do that. I didn't go inside and turn off the battery switch. Then I shorted out one of the positives to the side wall of the battery compartment, which I thought was plastic. And that's what fried our BCC and our battery cutoff switch in the old rig. So you live and learn. Trip a couple of breakers and trip them back on, and I'll go in, turn on the battery cutoff, and everything will work. If this is not the end of the video, that means I had another problem.